Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable or disable safe mode in Divi theme. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are using Divi theme. Scroll down, on left side you see Divi and then you see Sports Center, so click on it. Now Divi help and Sports Center open and scroll down. Then you see safe mode. Enabling safe mode will temporarily disable feature and plugin that may be causing problem with your elegant theme project. And then you see disable and then you see the following plugin will be temporarily disabled for your only. So enable this. So safe mode is enabled and then you see turn off safe mode, so click on it. So in this way you can enable or disable. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.